Hello students and welcome to Study Zone. Let's learn together. So today in this video I'll be discussing with you about some of the famous quotes of APJ Abdul Kalam, which is of class 9 chapter 6 My Childhood Lesson. So let's start. 1. Some of the brightest minds in the country can be found on the last benches of the classroom. 2. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skills and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. 3. Great teachers emanate out knowledge, passion, and compassion. 4. Black color is sentimental bad, but every blackboard makes the student's life better. 5. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. 6. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the person remembers me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. 7. One of the important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. 8. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. 9. Educationalists should build capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial, and moral leadership among students and become their role model. 10. If you want to success, try to learn from the failure story. 11. Once your mind stretches to be new level, it never goes back to its original dimensions. 12. To succeed in your mission, you must have a single-minded devotion, pure goal. Love your job, but don't love your company, because you may not know when your company stops loving you. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. And knowledge makes you great. 15. All of us do not have equal talents, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. 16. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. 17. Ultimately, education in the real sense is the pursuit of truth. It is an endless journey through knowledge and enlightenment. 18. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not discard it. 19. Real education enhances the dignity of a human being and increases his or her self-respect. 20. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in the second, more hits are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. 21. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely your habits will change your future. 23. Creativity is the key to success in the future, and primary education is where teachers can bring creativity in children at the level. 13. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not desert it. 24. Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcendent. 25. Your best teacher is your last mistake. 26. Without your involvement, you can't succeed. With your involvement, you can't fail. 27. Knowledge with action converts adversity into prosperity. 28. Don't read success stories. You will only get a message. Read failure stories. You will get some ideas to succeed. 29. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. 30. You have to dream before the dream comes true. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Bye.